I've been working more days at the workshop lately, so I haven't had much time to work on any crafting projects. I thought this would be the perfect opportunity to finally answer one of the biggest requests I get and show you my curly and wavy hair routine. If you're new here, my name is Estel and I mostly make sewing, crochet and DIY videos. So if you found this video just for the hair content, you're more than welcome to stick around and leave a like, but maybe don't subscribe unless you also enjoy crafting. This is how my hair looks after a whole week since I washed it. It holds pretty good and it doesn't smell, I swear. It's just not greasy. If my hair isn't too tangled, I like to brush it before showering with a bit of hair oil. I do this especially in winter because I'd rather not spend ages combing my hair while freezing in the shower. So I add a bit of oil and start combing at the ends and slowly work my way up. I comb my hair until it flows nicely from top to bottom. It takes 2 minutes tops and it's so relaxing. I feel like Cinderella. If I've been to the beach or the pool and it's really tangled, brushing it dry is impossible. In that case, I wait until I've applied my hair mask and then detangle it while it's wet. And after brushing, it looks like this. This is why we don't brush curls or waves on a daily basis. Now I'm going to show you my washing routine, but my bathroom is quite small, so bear with me while I'll try my best. I start by soaking my hair with lukewarm water or cold water if I can handle it, and shampooing my scalp. This is the shampoo I'm currently using, but I switch brands quite often. I usually look for something that's made for curls, vegan, cruelty-free and affordable. I buy most of my hair products at Lidl or Aldi. I shampoo twice to make sure all the build-up product is gone. And then I apply a generous amount of hair mask from the mid-length to the end. I really mean generous. It seems like a lot, but since I only wash my hair once or twice a week, one tap lasts me for months. It should feel very squishy, and while the mask is doing its thing, I wash the rest of my body. After a few minutes, I use a wide tooth comb to detangle my hair, again starting from the ends and working upwards. To help my curls keep their shape, I gently tilt my head, keep my hair hanging naturally, and scrunch it upwards with a little bit of cold water. Then I rinse everything out without touching it too much and with plenty of cold water. Even in winter I try to do this with cold water because it makes my hair feel softer and look much shinier. Before getting out of the shower, I scrunch it a few more times, first to one side and then to the other. Once or twice a month, I also use a leave-in conditioner. This is the one I'm using at the moment. It smells amazing. I only use about a tablespoon each time. Then, while my hair is still soaking wet, I apply mousse. I have a lot of hair, so I use quite a bit, about one handful for each side. You probably won't need that much if your hair is thinner. This is my favorite one because it gives me better results than the cheaper supermarket versions I've tried. It's probably the only product where I've really noticed a difference between brand and no brand. Then I scrunch everything with a microfiber towel. If you don't have one, a cotton t-shirt works really well too. After that, I add one last handful of mousse, with my head upside down, scrunch a few more times, and that's it. I won't brush my hair again until the next wash day. Nothing I'm using in this video is sponsored, by the way, it's just what I've been using. Whenever I can, I let it air dry and try not to touch it too much. While it's drying, I flip it from one side to the other every now and then so it doesn't dry flat against my scalp. In summer, it usually takes 2 or 3 hours to dry completely, depending on the weather. If it's sunny, I like sitting outside because the sun brings out my natural highlights. Also, the quicker it dries, the less frizz I get, so getting under the sun really helps with that. This is how it looks half dry. And this is how it looks once it's completely dry. And then I just don't brush it or style it at all until the next wash. If I want to put my hair up, I use scrunchies or white clips. I don't really do anything special at night, I just flip it over the pillow and go to sleep. I've been going to the same hairdresser for 7 or 8 years now, and he always cuts my hair using a technique called 1000 layers, which helps create more volume and definition while reducing frizz. I go twice a year. I haven't always worn my hair like this. Growing up, my mom kept it short because it was more practical, and for many years as an adult, I wore it much shorter than it is now and straightened it all the time because I didn't know how to style my natural curls. After years of heat styling, it took a year or two before my curls fully came back, and around 3 to 4 years to grow it to this length. As for the color, this is actually my natural hair color. It looks dark blonde, but when the light hits it, it has bright ginger tones. I was a redhead when I was little, and then it turned into a dark blonde, and my roots have been getting darker over the years. So about twice a year, I use a color gloss to bring back some of those warm copper tones. This is the one I use from L'Oréal Paris. You can find it in most supermarkets, and the shade closest to my natural color is A34 Amber Blonde. I really like it because I can do it myself and it makes my hair look healthier and shinier for weeks afterwards, and it respects my natural highlights. This is how it looks the next few days. It holds better or worse depending on the humidity. And that's my whole routine. I hope you found it helpful. If your hair is anything other than completely straight, this routine might help you bring out your natural waves or curls too. Let me know in the comments if you have any questions or if you have any hair tips I should try. Adeu!